My name is Dr. Chris Crawford. I've been practicing dentistry now for 30 years. I run a very busy practice, a very large practice, seeing on the average of 50 to 70 patients a day. It's provided me an above average lifestyle. I really love what I do. I love helping people. I try to provide good health for people. I've always said that good oral health is just a gateway to overall health. But first and foremost, my reputation means everything. I would never build a practice for 30 years and jeopardize it by some fly-by-night, untested concept. I'm constantly asked, why did I join ViSalus? Why would I put time in building a business when I already work from 7 in the morning until 5 at night? I make great money. I don't want to be forced to have to work that lifestyle of 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. To have that lifestyle. I wholeheartedly believe in the business model, but joined ViSalus for a few particular reasons. I believe no other company in the industry has a message as pure as ViSalus, and I believe most people don't understand ViSalus. They don't understand what it's all about. Rather, they think it's just like any other company selling some product. In fact, people think of ViSalus as a shake company, which couldn't be further from the truth. I love ViSalus because the product we promote is a challenge, not a shake, not a vitamin, not a juice. ViSalus has completely differentiated themselves from the entire industry because of that. While many other companies encourage their distributors to sell inflated, high-priced juices or creams or pills and more, but typically it also requires some mysterious story about the products, like the exotic berry from some exotic recently discovered forest. ViSalus takes a practical route, and they have totally reinvented the industry. ViSalus is about challenging yourself to better health every single day. Many companies are trying to copy the challenge. They want that concept, and they're trying to keep up with the growth that ViSalus is producing right now. But ViSalus is the only company where the challenge is the nucleus of that company. And it's evidence ViSalus owns two of the most prestigious domain names, challenge.com and thechallenge.com. Because ViSalus isn't one of the many companies touting their product as the cure-all, some may be led to believe that ViSalus products aren't as high quality. Well, as a doctor, I'd gladly put my reputation on these products, but also go as far to say that they are as good as any products in the industry. I'm certainly not the only doctor to say this. We at ViSalus simply don't believe there is a cure-all. There's not a single pill, there's not a shake, or any such thing will transform your physique. We believe the products play an integral part of that, but it's the challenge platform of ViSalus that provides and makes the difference in all of that. I believe so much in this industry that before ViSalus, I joined a healthy chocolate company and gave it the very same effort that I gave ViSalus. After 1 year of constant effort, I spent about $15,000 and made about $4,000. My accountant seems to think that that was a really good tax write-off, but that's about it. In my very first year in ViSalus, I've already earned over $70,000. And it only costs $1,000 for a promoter to become part of ViSalus. Now, this is an attempt to try and rag on other companies or to put anybody down. But sometimes it takes a company or two before you find the right one that fits. And I have definitely found that, and I'm glad I did. I simply want to align with the best. ViSalus is the best. In fact, ViSalus has been touted as the Apple computer of the industry. They're the innovator. Many others are just imitators. I could list them item after item, the things that ViSalus does that no other company does, and they're desperately trying to copy, such as the platform of the challenge, their car program, their compensation plan. There are even major telecommunication companies that have recently introduced a weight loss shake to try and boost their sales. Unfortunately, ViSalus is not about just a weight loss shake. There are also many, many things in the pipeline that so many things, now Visalis has titled that as phase 2 we're going into. Never have I met such innovative and creative, hardworking individuals. Great men such as Blake Mallon, Ryan Blair, Nick Sarnicola, and of course my enroller Jared Overton. I can truly say that I've aligned myself with the best vehicle in the industry, and the residual checks that Visalis give out is one of the reasons I chose this business model. I will end this by challenging you. If you are really serious about knowing the truth, if you truly want the real opportunity with no smoke, no mirrors, but real substance, real business, and real growth, I challenge you to pick up your phone and call me. I challenge you to do your own objective research. Don't listen to all the others. Do your own research, because if there is a better vehicle out there, I'd love to know about it, but I highly doubt it. So put the challenge to the test. I'm glad I did. Come join me in the challenge.